Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to assemble your acrylic shower door pull, step by step. Before you start, make sure you have all the parts from your package. Your kit should include post crowns, post brackets, an Allen key, grub screws, threaded screws, inner components, washers, and acrylic tubes. First, insert a grub screw into one of the posts using the Allen key. Turn it until it reaches the end. Next, attach the connecting piece on the opposite post where the grub screw goes and tighten it gently to secure the connection. Now, carefully slide the acrylic rod through the post. Tighten the grub screw a bit more to lock everything firmly in place. Decide the height and position where you want to install the door pull. Hold the door pull against the inside surface of the glass door and align it properly. Mark the spots where you'll drill the holes. Using a power drill, carefully drill through the marked points on the glass. Once the holes are ready, position the door pull and washer in place. Insert the threaded rod from the inside of the glass. Slide the inner component onto the threaded rod. Then, place the door pull on the outside surface and secure it with the threaded screws. Repeat the same process on the other side with the washers and door pull. Finally, insert the grub screws and tighten them securely to fix the posts in place. And that's it! Your acrylic shower door pull is now fully assembled and ready to use. With just a few simple steps, your installation is complete.